In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text color in Notion. Let's start right on your Notion page. Find the text you want to change, then highlight it. You can click and drag your mouse across the words, or double-click a single word and extend the selection if needed. On a trackpad, a simple drag works the same. On mobile, a long press on the text brings up selection nasties you can adjust. The important thing is that your text is actively selected before moving on. Once your text is highlighted, a small toolbar appears right above or near your selection. This is Notion's inline formatting toolbar. It's the same place where you might make text bold or turn it into a link. If you don't see it, make sure the text is still selected. The toolbar only shows when something is highlighted. You can also try scrolling slightly to bring it into view if it's off to the side. On that toolbar, look toward the end for the text color options. It's usually represented by an A icon or labeled as color. This area controls how the text itself looks. You might notice there are choices for both text and background highlighting. For changing the text color, stick to the text color section. The palette you'll see typically includes a range of colors like red, blue, green, yellow, pink, purple, and gray, along with a default option. Click the color option and select the new text color you want. As soon as you click, the change applies immediately to your selected text. If you're experimenting, try a few colors to see what's most readable against your page background and fits your style. If you decide you want to revert, choose default to go back to the original text color. Keep in mind that color can be a great way to draw attention to headings, tag important notes, or create visual categories, but aim for good contrast so your text stays easy to read. And there you go, your text color is updated. That's all there is to it. With just a quick highlight, a glance at the inline toolbar, and a single click on the color you like, you can bring clarity and personality to your Notion pages. If you're working across multiple blocks, you can repeat the same process on each section. Over time, consider using a simple color system so your pages look consistent and are effortless to scan. Thanks for following along, and enjoy customizing your Notion workspace.